What up, y'all? So I shared a picture, well, two pictures this morning on social media. And one is just a plain picture with the same plain background that you're seeing behind me now. And the other one is where I removed that background and replaced it completely with a living room setting. And that was done in Adobe Firefly using the generative fill tool. It's completely free, and I decided to make this video to show everyone who might be interested in this type of thing how it can be done. I mean, in the past, to do something like that, you had to hire, let's say, a Photoshop expert, somebody who is really good with designs and graphics and so, and they will charge you, I don't know, a certain amount of money, and it will take them some time, and they might tell you, okay, well, I'll do it for you and I'll get back to you within a couple of days, maybe a day, whatever it is. But I'm showing you now how you can do this, remove your entire background and replace it with a completely new one using artificial intelligence. So what I'll do right now, so I already have the screenshot of the background of the image that I want to use and replace the background. So what I'll do is I will share my screen and head over to Adobe Firefly. So this is Adobe Firefly, and I'm already signed in. So what you can do is you can go to firefly.adobe.com, sign up for an account. If you already have an Adobe account, you can sign in using that Adobe account that you have. If not, then you can create one, and you'll see there are different options that you can choose from here. So for example, there is text to image, which is where you will describe the image that you want to create, and Firefly will create that image for you. And there are text effect, there are generative recolor, text to vector, 3D to image, a bunch of different things you can do here. So you can check it out. It's pretty awesome, right? So like it says, you can do more with Firefly. The new Firefly Image 2 model is out now. So there's a bunch of different stuff. Now, what we're gonna look at is this part here that says generative fill. So you go to firefly.adobe.com and then you click on the generative fill option. So click on generate. So now what we're gonna do is click on upload image. So I'm gonna click on upload image. Let's see, I'm gonna go to the desktop. I'm gonna select background 1, open. Right, so this is the image that I used earlier on, that I posted earlier on. So what I'll do is I will click on remove. I click on the remove icon here, and then over here, I will click on background. So what it does, it removes my entire background, right? So now I will click on insert. So you'll see I went back over to the left. I click on insert, and then I will describe what image I want to create. So here I will type in living room. I think that's what I typed in the first time. I typed in living room something. I don't remember exactly what I typed in, but something to do. So I'll just type in living room setting, like a living room setting. So let's see what and I'll click on generate. Right. So as we can see, it generated. There are 3 options here that I can choose from. So there's this one. I don't like it, so I'll click on this one. This one is okay, but let's see what else we have. I'll click on this one. Not. I don't too like it, so I'll click on more. Right, so we have some other options. So I will click here. This one is a little better. Let's see what we have here. There's also this one. I kind of like this one. Yeah, I'll stick with this one. So there we go, right? So now I completely removed my background and I replaced it with AI. And all I had to type in was, you know, a living room setting. Like that was it. and it just gave me different options. And if I want more, I can still click on more and see what else is going to generate. Okay, even better. Like we even got some better ones. So this looks similar to the one I had earlier on. So let's see what we have here. So there's this one. There is even this one. Oh, you know what? I actually like this one. I'll work with this one. I think this is similar to the one I had earlier. I actually like this one, so I'll work with this one. Now, as we can see, there is a weird thing happening here where somehow the original mic stand that I had is somehow being reflected in this weird way. But that's okay, because I can remove this. And all I have to do is go back to the left side of the screen, click on remove. It will ask me if I want to save my edit. I will say save. And then I will come and I will highlight this whole thing. So I'm highlighting this whole thing. All right. I highlighted it and I click on remove. And there we go. It's gone. Like, it's gone. So you see, like, it didn't remove any parts of me or anything like that. It just removed that thing completely from the image. Like, this is amazing stuff. There is something else that we can do as well. Now, if I want to insert something, let's say I want to insert something in the image. Let's say maybe here, and I want to put maybe a painting right here. I'll go back to the left side of the screen, click on insert, ask me to save again. I'll say save, and then I can highlight the area that I want to insert whatever I want. So I'll highlight this area, all right? This area here. And then I will type in a painting, a wall painting of a flower. I mean, I don't even know why I said flowers, but just to show you the power of this tool. And I'll click on generate. And boom, there we go. A wall painting of a flower appears behind me on the wall. Now, I don't want a flower there, any painting or anything. So I'll cancel it. I'll click on clear, and I'll just keep the image exactly how it is. And yeah, that's it. There's your image. So what I'm gonna do, I'll download it, and I'll post it in the comment of this video so you can see. So I'll click on download. And what Firefly does is Firefly normally adds like I suppose an attribution to the image to show that it's generated using AI, so that people don't go out there trying to say, oh well, we did that ourselves. But it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, if I want to remove the watermark, then I can remove it. So, but I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to keep it on there so that those of you watching the video who's looking at the image can tell what I used to do it, so you can go do it yourself. So yeah, what do you think? Dope, right? Share your thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comment. Will you actually use this tool? Let me know.